Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to find the value of January and February. So in here we know that the annual premium of insurance, that is about this one in here. So we need to divide by the total hours in here. So this one we need to find the rate. So after we got this one, we have the value of January and February in here. We have 4,100. We multiply by this one, and you will have about 10,250. And the second one, that is about this number in here. And we have 9,250. This is the end. Thank you for watching.